Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some oven baked chicken wings. So that's my chicken wings there guys, and it is 1 pack. So these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of parsley, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. So my chicken wings guys is already washed, it's clean. I washed it with lemon and with vinegar. So now I'm just gonna pour at least 3 spoons of vegetable oil on my chicken wings, and I'm just gonna take my hands, you can always use a glove, and I'm just gonna massage it because you want your chicken wings to be nice and moist. So that's the reason why I add it, okay? So it's actually olive oil that I'm using. It's not vegetable oil, but you can use whichever, it doesn't matter. So after I coated my chicken wings with my olive oil, now I'm gonna add my seasoning. You just want to blend it all together, just make sure it is all combined. So after you blend all of your seasoning together, now you're just gonna take your chicken wings guys, and you're just gonna sprinkle the seasoning on your chicken, okay? You're not gonna rub it, just sprinkle it. Just watch exactly what I'm doing, okay? So now I'm just flipping my chicken wings, and I'm just gonna sprinkle all the seasoning on my chicken wings, exactly how I do it on the other side. So my chicken wings guys is perfectly seasoning, and I'm telling you, I hope you guys do try this method. Your chicken wings is gonna come out perfect. My husband really enjoyed it. He was like, what season do you use on it, you know? But it's just the method. I didn't rub it. Normally I would just rub all the seasoning on my meat, but this time I just want to sprinkle it, and it look amazing guys. I'm telling you, it is a must try. So all my chicken wings is all seasoned guys, and it is perfect. You can always marinate it for at least 1 hour, okay? So now I'm gonna bake my chicken wings. So here I have my baking tray, and what I'm doing guys, I'm just gonna pour some oil on my tray so my chicken wing doesn't stick. Not necessarily it's gonna stick, but it's good to do it this way, you know. So you just wanna rub it all in. So now I'm gonna add my chicken wings on my tray. Just make sure it is all spaced out. So I'm just adding some of my remaining seasoning that's left, just sprinkle just a bit just on top. So now guys, I'm gonna put it in my oven for at least 30 minutes and 150 degrees Celsius. Just make sure your oven is preheated. So I just remove it from my oven, just over 30 minutes guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna flip it over. Seriously guys, my chicken wings smell amazing. I'm telling you, it smells so good, and it look amazing as well. I can't wait for it to finish. So what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm just gonna lean my tray and I'm gonna take my spoon and I'm just gonna pour all that delicious gravy juice, whatever it is, all on my chicken wings, just for it to keep moist, you know. And I'm gonna put it back in my oven guys for at least 25 minutes and 150 degrees Celsius. Okay, so stay tuned. So I just removed my chicken wings from the oven guys, and it looks so yummy. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna flip it back over and I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 30 to 25 minutes, okay? So before I put back my chicken wings in the oven, I'm just gonna add some butter on it, you know? Yeah. You don't have to do it, it is totally optional, but you know, I like butter on my meat or on my food, so that's the reason why I add it. And it can give it this crispiness to the chicken as well, so that's why. But it's optional, okay? And I'm just gonna finish it off with my remaining seasoning that's left. Not a lot, as you can see, just a bit. And I'm just gonna add some parsley to it, at least 1 teaspoon of parsley. And you just wanna blend it guys. And you just wanna sprinkle it all on your chicken. And it is finished, so it's gonna go in the oven soon. So my chicken wings guys is finally finished, and I'm telling you, it looks so good. This recipe guys is a must try. I'm telling you guys, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share this video to your families, to your friends, and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can receive more delicious videos like these. Giving you guys a close-up look. And don't forget guys to hit your notification button so you can see more of my videos, okay? So I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. So stay tuned. So now guys, I'm just plating up my chicken wings. So you can serve it with some salad, with mashed potato, with rice, with some corns, whatever you preferred, even with some fries. You just got to make some gravy on the side or even some barbecue sauce. That will go perfectly with it. I'm just pouring the liquid that left in my tray and my chicken wings. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye, stay blessed. Don't forget to keep laughing and keep smiling no matter what, cause God is always on your side. Bye guys, love you. Mwah, 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 mwah.